So we have this truck, the Ford F-150 Raptor, the McQueen, the Jeep Wrangler, ambulances, another one, a motorcycle, blue car, green car, a fire truck, and 2 fire trucks. Then we have, what's your name?
Aiden.
Yeah! Whoa! That's actually a good angle.
Daddy.
You want to lay down like Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh. We are going to do the car. Oh, okay. Look what we're gonna do, Aiden. You see all those cars? You have to move it. Look what we're gonna do. Set it up here. And woo! Go. There it is. Try one more time. Go. Oh! You did it!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay!
Now Aiden has the ambulance. Oh! It just lost its wheel. Did you see that? It lost its wheel. So we're gonna put it back to the side. Aiden is putting the second ambulance. Can it do it? Oh my goodness. Let's see how fast it can go. Put it all the way up. All the way up here. And then slide it down. Oh, it failed like this, Aiden. Look, you wanna do it like that. And slide it. Whoa. Go.
Look, made it.
Oh, it's stuck. Go. Whoa. Oh, one more time. I didn't get that shot. Go. Come on. Whoa. So Aiden's gonna put a fire truck. Whoa. That was a good shot. So for this one, we have a Ford F-150. I think that's a Chevy, but we'll figure that out later. Let's see how far this one goes. Oh, this one actually went a little farther. Can't see because of my shadow, but look at it right there. Aiden, you want to try again? Oh, look.
It's stuck.
Yeah. Angle. Do it again, do it again. From the top, okay? Whoa. It landed right there on the grass. You can't see it much.
For you.
So Aiden has changed the whole dynamic. Instead of having it against the fence, we have it on the floor flat so that it can fly.
Look.
Can I try, Aiden?
Yeah.
Ready? Look at my car. Ready? Phew! Oh!
Look at film.
Can you do that? Oh.
It's closing.
Okay, try the big one. Try that truck. That's actually one of my favorite trucks. It looks so clear. Oh, no harder. Oh, it hit the other cars.
Harder?
Yeah, you have to do it harder. Go.
Open it.
Oh.
It hit the car.
It hit the other cars. Thank God it didn't explode. So Aiden has another plan. Tell them your plan, Aiden. Look, he put it backwards and now it's going the other way. So we have a whole bunch of race cars. We have the white one, the blue one, the green one, the red one, the orange, and the green. Comment down below who you think is gonna win. Ready, set, go. Oh, I think the red one won. Oh, we put it backwards. Okay, try again. Put it up. Go ahead. Oh.
Hi, Aiden. Say good morning. Chichi, ¿para dónde vamos hoy? ¿Qué? Daddy no está aquí.